first round of Angry Birds. Okay, so we're playing Angry Birds for the first time ever in YouTube.
The camera is not working.
Okay, so now let's get straight into it. Me versus Hello.
Yeah, I can see your only one eye, and you're an alien.
This is stink. This is stinky,
Yeah,
stinky
it
poo
is.
poo. Come out. So we're gonna each other, okay? Come on. Dun, dun, dun,
I cannot see your face.
Really?
How do I do it?
Okay, let's get straight into it. So first is this kind of Qui-Gon Jinn. So we have the birds, Qui-Gon Jinn, Padawan, Princess Leia, and Luke Skywalker. Where did Luke go? Don't mind if I do. Oh,
Yeah, do it.
here you go. Whatever. So let's get straight into it. Oh no!
What are you doing?
What the?
Yeah, he's little. You know what it is, right?
Shut the mouth up. You dare. Shut the mouth up.
Now, how do I do it?
Okay. Okay. So, done. Don't. Okay.
How do I do it? Just
Okay. So, I'm going to do first, right?
okay.
Okay, I'm going to start with Qui-Gon Jinn. Okay, let's get straight into it.
Wait, it's.
Okay, how'd you do
I cannot see
What?
that.
Here?
Yeah. Do it.
Good. Okay, so how to do is to you place this kind of a hole here on a stupid lightsaber slingshot at the pointy part. Just match them together like a puzzle, piece by piece. And now
Push.
pull, not push.
Okay.
And then just let it go. Okay.
Oh.
Failure. So next is your turn, babe. So the birds are here.
Oh, really?
We don't really see you, babe. Okay. Luke Skywalker's turn, maybe. Come on. Oh, awesome! But you should still get that kind of a girly piggy.
Yeah, like it's a white piggy.
No, it's a stormtrooper. Okay, so this is my turn, right? I'm gonna do is Luke Skywalker again. Back again. The poopy poopies. Okay. There.
Just the one.
Okay. Straight in the head. Oh.
My turn.
Okay. Let me just get Luke Skywalker out of the Y. What Y? Way. Yep, that's proper.
Oh,
what
the bee?
So next is Luke Skywalker back again. Stop it, June! You hello man? You phone guy? From
Hey, how do you do it?
Oh, TNT!
TNT got poof.
What is it? Let me just get some blocks that were just removed. Okay, there we go. Also the piggies that were removed. Okay, there we go.
a gun.
Also this one shot. Also this. Hey, what are you doing?
I just don't do
It's
it.
still there. No, never.
Never?
Piggy,
Why?
ever.
It's my turn, right?
No, that's a piggy, bro.
Hey.
You bro, you should do a pet one or a Princess Leia. Oh no. Oh, you're an idiot. Bye. Like that. Sorry, I'm so bored. Oh, miss. Okay.
Miss.
Dun. No, you can't see my slingshot. Now, there. Look at here.
Wait, the camera is
Not that bad.
little.
Messy.
Wait. I cannot see the castle.
Okay, let me just match it for you.
Yeah.
Match it. Yes. Seems that that's better.
Yeah, I can see it.
Okay. Dun.
I think it's.
Oh! No! Yes! Get out of here, you bitch! Yeah, awesome! Piggy time!
Yeah, piggy.
So, hope you guys enjoyed this video, guys. Like, guys. Oh, what is it?
Okay.
Okay, so hope you guys enjoyed this video, guys. If you guys
enjoy it.
Yeah. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to subscribe and like that button for more Minecraft and Angry Birds FNAF videos. And see you guys. Bye bye.